This is a footage from the preparation for a recent tea gathering. In the way of tea, preparation and cleanup are extremely important. Chanoyu is not simply the act of drinking tea. It is about calming the mind and body and valuing harmony with the surrounding environment. Today, I'd like to talk about the meaning of cleaning. Garden cleaning is essential in preparing for a tea gathering. I pull weeds, remove trash, and sweep up fallen leaves. I also carefully wipe the front door, nameplate, and the mailbox. Why? Because they are the face of the home. If the face is dirty, good fortune may not find its way in. To welcome good energy, the space must be clean and clear. I sprinkle water across the garden. This settles the dust and creates a refreshing atmosphere. Originally, Uchimizu, sprinkling water was a way to purify the path for the gods. It also expresses a warm heart of welcoming for guests. It has been practiced since ancient times, though it's rare to see it in modern homes. When you visit the temple, you may feel that even the air is clear, a sense of purity that sharpens both body and mind. That comes from cleaning. I don't know how it is today, but in my time, cleaning was a daily routine in elementary school. This culture of cleaning is a sign that Zen values have deeply permeated Japanese culture. Since the way of tea is rooted in Zen, cleaning is something we cannot avoid. There is a meaning in cleaning one's own space with one's own hands. It becomes a form of personal training, a way to purify and regulate your heart. Jordan Peterson says, "Clean your room and your life will improve." Cleaning, of course, makes a space more beautiful, but when viewed through the eyes of the heart, it also beautifies your spirit and enriches the time you spend there. Let's incorporate the spirit of Chanoyu into our daily lives and continue to polish our heart.